This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering the camera and opening the Wyze app. This gets the device discoverable and your phone ready. Make sure your router is broadcasting on 4 GHz. Wyze uses that band for setup. Once the app is open, tap Add Device and choose your camera model. The app will request microphone access so it can hear the camera's pairing tone. Follow the on-screen prompts now, because the app and camera must exchange tokens during this initial handshake. You'll now connect the camera to Wi-Fi and pair it to your account. Enter the SSID and password exactly as shown, matching case and symbols. Next, position your phone camera to show the QR code on screen to the Wyze camera or allow the audio pairing tone if prompted. This transfers credentials securely. Once done, watch the LED. A flashing yellow means connecting, then solid green when paired. If it stalls, recheck password and proximity to router before retrying. You finish by naming the camera and assigning it a room so notifications make sense. This helps you find events later. Make sure to accept and install any firmware update right away because updates fix bugs and add stability. Once configured, test live view and motion alerts to confirm everything works. If it fails, try one key troubleshooting step. Reboot the router and camera, move the camera closer to the AP, and if needed, perform a factory reset to start the pairing process cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.